In a time long forgotten by the hustle and bustle of the modern world, a quaint village rested amid rolling hills and lush, green valleys. The village of Eldenwood was a place where time seemed to flow like the gentle river that meandered through its center, bringing a sense of tranquility and constancy to its inhabitants. The life in Eldenwood was simple and harmonious, deeply interwoven with nature and the changing seasons. Villagers woke to the sound of birdsong, a natural serenade that greeted the soft light of dawn. As the sun rose higher in the sky, the village came alive with the chorus of everyday activities. Craftsmen and artisans set to work in their quaint workshops, fashioning goods from wood and clay with skilled hands. Farmers tended to their fields and livestock, their days marked by the rhythm of planting and harvest, a cyclical dance with the earth that sustained them. Among the villagers was Aiden, a young man of about 20 years, whose dreams were as vibrant as the morning sky. Aiden was filled with curiosity, often wandering beyond the village boundaries to explore the forests and fields that surrounded Eldenwood. He was captivated by the natural world, spending hours observing the flora and fauna that called the woods home. His father, a well-respected carpenter named Thomas, hoped Aiden would follow in his grand footsteps, crafting wood into beautiful works of art. One such festival, the Festival of the Harvest Moon, was a time of great joy and thanksgiving. The villagers gathered in the central square, their spirits high, illuminated by the glow of bonfires and the shimmering reflection of the moon upon the river surface. As music played and laughter filled the air, Aiden found himself standing at the edge of the festivities, his mind wandering far from the jubilant scene before him. Drawn by an inexplicable pull, he ventured into the woods, guided by the silver light of the harvest moon. The forest, usually a place of daylight adventure, now took on an otherworldly aura, shadow and light interwoven into a tapestry of enchantment. It was here, in the heart of the woods, that Aiden stumbled upon something unexpected, an ancient stone circle, hidden from the eyes of the village for what seemed like eons. The stones whispered secrets as the night breeze wove through them, tales of old that spoke to Aiden's soul. He felt a connection to this place, an understanding of why he had never truly settled into the life expected of him. Kneeling beside the stones, he felt their cool surface, and as if in a trance, he began to carve symbols upon a piece of wood he always carried, his fingers guided by some unseen force. When Aiden returned to the village, he was transformed. The joy and camaraderie of the Harvest Festival took on new meaning for him, a recognition of the intricate patterns and connections in life that he'd witnessed deep within the forest. Inspired by his experience, he began to share stories of the old ways, the lore forgotten by many but vital to him. In time, Aiden's tales and carvings inspired others in the village to seek a deeper understanding of the world around them. The people of Eldenwood started to embrace not only the traditions handed down through generations, but also the knowledge and balance offered by the natural world. Aiden's journey set a path for those who were willing to wander, to listen, and to learn from the whispers of the ancient stones and the ever-present rhythm of nature, reminding the village of Eldenwood of their place in the tapestry of life.